Okay, so editor copy with syntax highlighting controls whether syntax highlighting should be copied into the clipboard, and by default this is set to true. So let me show you what this looks like. If you copy a little bit of code onto an editor that supports rich text, like Pages or Word or a forum, like any editor, you actually copy your code's syntax highlighting. If you leave this as false, if you set this to false and you do it again, you'll notice that just the text comes, right? But no syntax highlighting. Now, I don't particularly enjoy this syntax highlighting because I'm going through these settings one by one so that you can see the progress. Not sure if that's very helpful, but anyway, that's what I'm doing. So leave this as true, and when you have a theme that you're really proud of and you copy code to somewhere else, you'll be glad that you're not only copying the code but also the syntax highlighting that you use inside your editor. So I would leave this option as true.